then the other thing that I got from Miniso is this notebook. Hey, me, I'm telling you, I just went to the entrance and then I found these books over there. It's written, "Time will never change and stop for any person." Okay, so the other cape that I got is this one over here. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but my sister didn't like it. She was like, "Hey, it's not your taste, you know, but we don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn." Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon Yeke, for those who are new here, and for those who are coming back here once again, welcome to this YouTube channel. We have such a big new family even though long time no see, but guys, by the time I'm shooting this video, we are at 733 subscribers at the gate. 733 subscribers, yani I just can't believe it, you know. I want to take this chance to thank all of you who have chosen to support me. I want to tell you thank you, and may God bless you, and may you keep pushing my content, keep pushing it until you get there. I hope we manage to hit 1,000 subscribers, God willing. If I say by the end of this year, that will be like I'm doing no justice to myself. So let me say by the end of, maybe we are in July, maybe by the end of August, let's hit 1,000 subs and let's monetize our channel, you know, so that you can just have, you know, some new steps that we have hit and we have done great things. And if you're watching this and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? You know, subscribe, hit subscribe, like my videos. By the way, I've been liking the vibes on the likes panel because I've been getting like quite a good number of likes, you know, so that shows me that you guys are relating to what I'm giving you, you know, you're relating to my cup of tea, you're loving what I'm doing. It's all about positive vibes, you know. If you're here at my channel, just know we are here for positivity. We are here for positivity, we are here for love, we are here for kindness, we are here for peace, you know. So make sure you subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, take me to 1,000 subscribers, yani. Help me do this because I can't do this on my own, you know. I need your support, and asanteni sana. I hope we keep going, we keep growing. And yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a shopping haul video whereby I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I have purchased. Should I say within July alone, or even June? No, let me say July alone because I lost track. I lost track. So I hope you guys get to enjoy this type of content, and if you like it, tell me if I can do more of this. If you want to see more of this, comment on the comment section down below. Tell me how I'm looking today. Are you loving my looks? By the way, I just got home. I was running errands. And then I just came home and I was like, because we are growing, you know, I have to give you quality, I have to give you good content, I have to be consistent. And I'm going to be doing another vlog about my new setup, everything. Too much is coming. Oh, make sure you hit subscribe and let's get right into the video of today. Starting off, I have this bag over here. If you see this sign, you already know it's Miniso, the one in TRM. I've been loving Miniso things lately because the quality, yani the quality too, inakufanya usikie tu kurudi. You want to go back again and again. So starting with what we have in this bag from Miniso Kenya, I have my, it's not PR by the way, it's my own it's my own stuff, but I don't mind. Starting off, I'm going to be showing you this cable of mine. I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, I got this cable for only 309 Kenya shillings. I've been struggling, you guys, by the way. I've been struggling so much because my phone charger was taken away by someone and I don't know who it is. So I've been using like the fake ones and my phone has not been charging quite well. So I had to go and get myself one from Miniso Kenya, and it's good, by the way. I love it. So far so good. I can't complain about it. I think it's been like 2 days since I used it. And then the other thing that I got from Miniso is this notebook. Hey, Me, I'm telling you, I just went to the entrance and then I found these books over there. It's written, time will never change and stop for any person. So that means you have to keep going. Yani, no matter what, if you wake up today, you have to keep going. Miniso Kenya, this notebook is so nice. I've not yet opened it. I don't know why, but I don't know if I should unbox it with you people. I don't mind. Let me just open it with you. So this is the notebook. It looks like this. Looks like this. It's black and white in color, and it's written, time will never change and stop for any person. So that means you have to keep going. As the saying goes, time and tide waits for no man. So you have to keep going. So let me unpack it with you because it's wrapped up with a paper so we can see how it looks inside, you know. My sister wanted to open it the day I came with it home, but I told her, no, don't you dare do that, because I'm going to be doing that with my subscribers and my fans. And thank you so much, guys, for the support. Yani, me, I don't know what to say. Me, I just want to say thank you. You know, me, I just want to say thank you. And in all your endeavors, you too, I pray that you prosper. I pray that you will be great, you know, and you will help me you'll help me be great. So this is the notebook. I've opened it. That is how it looks. So cute. You know, the quality is really nice, by the way. This is a good indication that it's going to last me long, you know. So yeah, this is how it looks inside. You see? I don't know if you guys can see something, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks inside. Doesn't have anything on the first page, but it's a good book. I love the quality. Yeah. So on to the next thing that I got from Miniso was let me get it. So the other thing that I got from Miniso Kenya was this highlighter. It's pink in color. I got it from my sister because she's such a bookworm. She reads a lot of books and I felt like she needs something like this. So this one I got it at, I think, 70 bob, you know, at Miniso, and it's so good. My sister hasn't complained about it. And then the notebook, I forgot to tell you about the price. I got it at 309. Yeah, and the thing that I like about it, it has this thing over here. It has this wrap over here. So maybe if you were in a meeting and you're like, you don't have to keep checking, flapping your pages to see where you were writing. It has this thing over here and it's gonna help you. So I got this at Miniso for only 309. So the other thing that I have managed to purchase within the month of July are these cute shoes over here. You know, I love them. I got them from town, a hawker in town, who sold them to me at 300 bob. I think I have a thing with 300 bob, you know. So initially he was selling them to me at 500 Kenya shillings, and then nikakata. So I had to bargain. I even started like telling him how I come from far. I'm even going to work right now and it's in the morning. Just cut for me that 200 bob because I got 2 pairs of shoes, and this is the first one. I love it. I'm going to do a video for you to see how it fits me. And this is the shoe. Look at the leather, you guys. Yani, Ebu, tell me if I'm not your plug, who else should be? So this is the quality. Ebu, look at it. You see, very nice for only 300 Kenya shillings. But I didn't manage to take the number for the guy. But the next time I'm going there, I'm going to make sure I get the number. So this is the shoe once again. You see? See? You like it? I know you do. This is the next. So guys, this is the next purchase that I got from the same guy who sold me, you know, that black shoe. That these shoes, they're cream in color. I don't know if you guys can see them quite well, but they are cream in color. I love them like so much. They are fitting me so well. Let's support our own and let's be proud, you know, to put on what we can afford, you know. So this is my pair of shoe. I love it so much. I'm going to do a video and show you how it looks on me. So the next purchase that I got within this month, I have like this cape over here. Sorry for this. I have like this cape over here. I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, I can't put it on because I have like this hair, but it looks so nice. It's pink in color and then it has like some bananas on it. You see, I have a pink background, so, and this is pink, so they might crash, you know. So This one I got it from Githurai 45. Other cape that I got is this one over here. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but my sister didn't like it. She was like, hey, it's not your taste, you know, but we don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. So I can't do this because of my hair, but let me try. Let me try and see. So yep. I look like a cop, you know, cop and zero. I look like cop and zero. Not cop shower. I look like cop and zero. Flight number 433. So if you need this, you can just DM me on my Instagram at _shazofficial or comment down below because I reply to comments, and then we're going to connect each other and you're going to find the number to this lady who sells this specific cups. It's a good cup. I don't know how you feeling about it, but tell me in the comment section down below so that I can know if I will put it on when I'm doing my videos or not. So the other thing that I managed to purchase within, you know, this month are these 2 notebooks over here. I think you guys can tell that I love writing from the way that I've been showing you, I think, a lot of notebooks. So I got these ones for only 10 bob, you know, 10 bob. So that's 20, that's Kenya shillings 20, you know, and they are nice. The reason as to why I thought of getting them is because I needed one. I don't know which color. You can comment on the comment section down below and tell me. So I needed one for my post notification shout out, because lately I've been meeting people out there and they're like, oh my god, my name is so and so, and the next time you're doing your video, please feel free to mention my name. And you know, sometimes I forget. I'm human, you know. There are people who DM me and I forget, so I have a book for your names. So make sure you watch my videos, like my videos, DM me on my Instagram page and tell me if you want to, you know, get a post notification shout out for me. So, and then I think the last thing that I got within this month of July is this leather jacket. Yeah, in Nairobi has been so cold, and I know I have like so many jumpers, I have like so many jackets, I have like so many leather jackets, but it never hurts. It never hurts to add a new leather jacket, and here it is. Yani, I'm loving the feeling. It's very good quality. This one I got it from home, that is Kahawa West, from a lady who sold it to me at 500 Kenya shillings, and it's good. You see the length. I'm going to put it on. I do a small video and then I show you how it looks on my body. I like it because I've worn it for some time. If you know me, if you have met somewhere, I think you've seen me with this leather coat. I'm loving it, by the way. The color too, it's nice. The way it's shiny. The first time I washed it, I thought it would maybe end that shiny glow of it, but after washing it, things didn't change. It's still the same quality. The buttons, I'm going to fix them. I've been saying I'll fix them like every day, but I don't get the time to do it. But this is the coat. I'm loving it like so much. If you want the number to the lady, you can also tell me on the comment section down below so that I can go and get it from her, and then I give it to you, and then you can come and get your own leather jacket. So I think that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos today, and in case of any question, in case of anything, in case of you need help, you need someone to talk to, you can find me on my Instagram page at _shazofficial. Always feel free to DM me, even though I don't reply to DMs like, you know, every day, because I also have like things to do. But I always make sure when I have the time to reply to DMs, I do it. But for the comments here on YouTube, that one, if I see it right now, I'm going to make sure I reply it to you there and then, you know. But for Instagram, WhatsApp, I take a little bit longer, you know, because I have things to do, you know. It's not that you don't matter. I know you matter, but sometimes we have things to do. You yourself, you have things to do. You even forget to respond. But I always make sure, even if it's by the end of the week, I have responded to everyone who has maybe a question or an issue and they were communicating it to me. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I'm anxious a little bit. I'm nervous. I don't know why. I think it's because it's been a while since I lastly took a camera, but all shall be well. So I did this video because by the time 2021 was starting, I promised myself that I will be making, I'll be making sure I take count of each and every coin that I spend within a month. So that way I decided I'll be writing down Like every time I purchase a new thing, I'm going to write it down so that by the time 2021 is ending, I will have known how much I spent within that year. So expect more shopping haul videos from me, and if you've loved this type of content, please make sure to tell me in the comment section down below so that I can do more of this. Also, make sure you give me a thumbs up so that every time I am looking through my my go through on my YouTube studio, I can know that people loved this and I can do more of that. And until next time guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, be loved.